My name is Kailash. Today's topic is project
Huh?
quality management. Project quality management is a key aspect of project management that ensures a project meets the defined quality standards throughout its life cycle. It involves processes and activities focused on improving the overall quality of the project deliverables, ensuring that both the project output such as products or services and the project processes such as planning, execution and delivery are the highest standards. The quality planning. There are three more components of project quality management. First is quality planning. This is the process of identifying the quality requirements and standards for the project and its deliverables. It involves defining how quality will be managed and ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned on the project's quality expectations. Second is quality assurance. The process focuses on the activities and processes to ensure that the project's quality standards are being met. It includes continuous improvement activities, audits, and process evaluations that prevent problems before they occur. Third is quality control. This involves monitoring and measuring specific project results and comparing them to the defined quality standards. It ensures that the project deliverables meets the required quality criteria and the corrective actions are taken if necessary. Quality control typically includes inspections, testing and reviews of the project's work and outputs. Key quality metrics. In project quality management, key quality metrics are used to measure the effectiveness of the processes and deliverables to ensure they meet the desired standard. Some of the main quality metrics include: first is defects density, measures the number of defects per unit of product or deliverable, such as per thousand lines of code for software or per square meter in construction. Second is customer satisfaction, typically measured using surveys, feedback forms, or Net Promoter scores to assess how well the project meets customer expectations. Quality assurance, building confidence. In project quality management, quality assurance plays a critical role in building confidence that the project will meet its quality objectives. It involves establishing processes and activities that help ensure the project's deliverables are of high quality. Below are the key practices that build confidence in the quality of project. First is auditing. Auditing is formal systematic process of reviewing the project's quality management of processes and outputs to ensure they comply with defined the standards, policies, and procedures. Second is building confidence through question and answer. QA is about establishing the confidence that the project will meet its quality objectives by implementing quality planning, assurance, and control processes throughout the project lifecycle. Third is standards. Standards are established guidelines, frameworks, or best practices that define the quality requirements for a project, product, or process. These could be industry standards, international standards, or organizational standards. Next is reviews. Reviews are structured evaluations or assessment of the project's deliverable processes or progress. Reviews can be of various types, such as peer reviews, design reviews, code reviews, or milestone reviews. Quality control monitoring and improving. It monitor and record results from activities, recommend changes, and identify the root causes. Tools like Pareto charts can help. First, monitor. This involves tracking processes, systems, and products in real time to ensure that they meet established standards. Monitoring tools can be manual or automated and might include inspecting product samples, reviewing performance metrics, or observing production lines for consistency. Recommended. recommend based on the data collected during monitoring, and recommendations are made to improve processes, address issues, or optimize operations. This could involve adjusting procedures, providing staff training, or investing in new technology. Identify. This step is about finding potential issues, variations, or areas of improvement in the quality control process. It may involve identifying defects, process inefficiencies, or sources of variation that could compromise quality. Statistical quality control. Statistical quality control is a set of techniques used to monitor and control a process to ensure that it operates at its full potential and produces products or services that meet quality standards. It involves using statistical methods to measure and improve the quality of processes and outputs. The two common tools used in statistical quality control and are control charts and Pareto charts. Control charts are a graphical tool used to monitor the behavior of the process over time. They help determine if a process is in a state of statistical control or if there are variations that require investigation. Pareto, Pareto charts. A Pareto chart is a type of bar chart that is used to highlight the most important factor in a dataset. It is based on the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, which suggests the 80% problems often come from 20% of the causes. Tools, techniques, Tools and techniques. In statistical quality control and continuous improvement processes, various tools and techniques are employed to analyze, measure, and enhance the quality of products, services, or processes. These tools help in identifying root causes, measuring performance, and improving processes. Let's look at a few of these tools and techniques. First, cause and effective diagram. Fishbone diagram or Ishikawa diagram. The cause and effect diagram is a visual tool used to systematically identify and analyze the root causes of a problem. It's called the fishbone diagram because of its shape, resembling the skeleton of a fish. Control charts. Control charts are one of the most important tools in statistical process control. They are used to monitor the stability of a process over time by plotting the process data in a time ordered sequence. Benchmarking. Benchmarking is the process of comparing a company's performance, processes, or products with industry leaders or competitors to identify areas of improvement. It involves identifying best practices and adopting strategies from other organizations that excel in similar areas.